Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear cadets, I am Tushar Datta, pursuing BTech Mechanical Engineering from Kazimka University. At first, I am thankful and privileged for having made this opportunity to speak before you on Kargil Vijay Divas. Today, we are celebrating 22nd Kargil Vijay Divas to commemorate the victory of the Indian soldiers over the infiltrating Pakistani troops. Kargil War is also known as the Kargil conflict. It was fought between May to July with duration of 40 days in the year 1999 in the district of Jammu and Kashmir along the line of control in which India got the victory. Therefore, this day is dedicated to the martyred soldiers of the Kargil War. Now, let us go back to the story to get an idea of when, where and why this war took place. Before that, let me tell you that in this war, the forces of Indian Army and Indian Air Force fought together, and the operation that was run by Indian Army was called Operation Vijay, and the one run by Indian Air Force was called Operation Safed Sagar. Now let us understand what are the events that led to the war. Some men were seen on the high altitude of Indian coast by some local shepherds. The shepherds reported the army and the Indian army thought them as independent Kashmiri rebel forces, but they later came out to be as disguised Pakistani army units. Those who have crossed LOC and captured certain Indian posts. But the main question is, what were the Pakistani army units were doing there? The aim of the Pakistani incursion was to cut off the link between Kashmir and Ladakh and cause Indian forces to withdraw from the Siachen Glacier, thus forcing India to negotiate a settlement of the border Kashmir dispute. However, they were not successful as the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force launched their attacks on Pakistani position in the region to recapture the higher posts. Also, the war was very challenging as the posts were located at high altitude regions and the temperature was below -10 degrees Celsius to -15 degrees Celsius until 4 July, Indian Army had recaptured strategic peaks like Tiger Hill, Tololing and many more. And the war was called off officially on 26 July 1999. Here you can see in the map, red line is the line of control LOC and the blue line is the National Highway NH1D which connects Srinagar to Leh, and this highway is strategically very crucial as all the goods and equipments of army are transported via this link to the Siachen Glacier, which is why the Pakistani army wanted to break this connectivity and take control of the area. This was all about the story of Kargil. In a conclusion, we can say that our brave Indian soldiers fought the war without the help of GPS technology, but with the help of the Indian Air Force, they were able to locate the positions of the enemy units and destroy their bases. We are also thankful to the country Israel for their Bofors and unmanned air vehicles, which help our armed forces to recapture the posts. Here are the names of the brave Indian soldiers who were awarded with Paramveer Chakra. They were Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Captain Bikram Batra, Honorary Lieutenant Yogendra Singh Yadav, and Subedar Sanjay Kumar. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.